This is how I went from being an overworked, underpaid high school teacher to $20,000 a month in online income. After our first daughter was born, I knew things had to change in order to have the lifestyle and the balance that I was looking for. I wanted to be able to see her more than just an hour after work and before she went to bed at night. I wanted to have money to go on big family trips and to do experiences together. And I wasn't gonna have the time or the money to be able to do those things if I continued on the path that I was on. I tried a few things, but nothing really clicked for me. They either required like a lot of tech skills or recruiting family and friends, which I would rather crawl into a hole than do, or the payouts from them just weren't big enough to really justify spending that much time on trying to make them work. I started hearing about affiliate marketing, but my understanding of that was like $20 payouts for promoting toys or books or things like that. I didn't really see how people could make a lot of money from it, but then I realized there was something called high ticket affiliate marketing, and that's when things changed for me. That's exactly what I do now. I promote other brands and businesses' proven products, and I get paid anywhere from $500 to $2,000 for every sale that's made. Now I spend a couple hours a day on my business, and the rest of my time is spent chasing my girls around.